Welcome back to my channel, Gorgeous. Ready to feel confident and fresh? Today we're talking all about body hygiene, how to feel your best, inside and out. So let's dive in. 1. Skincare, face and body. Let's start with the basics. Your skin. You deserve healthy, glowing skin every single day, so let's make sure you have the right routine. 1. Face hygiene routine. Wash your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, look for a foaming one. Dry skin? Go for a hydrating formula. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin and prevent clogged pores. Don't forget, moisturize after washing and wear sunscreen, even if you're indoors too. Body hygiene routine. Now let's talk body care. Use a mild body wash during your shower. Avoid scrubbing too harshly. Your skin is delicate. Focus on those areas that need extra care, like your underarms and feet. Finish up by hydrating your skin with a nice body lotion. Soft, smooth skin. Yes, please. Haircare shampoo your hair 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your hair type. Use a conditioner every time to keep your hair soft and smooth. Deep condition once a week to nourish your hair and keep it from getting dry or brittle. Scalp care. Scalp care is just as important. Massage your scalp when shampooing to encourage blood flow, which helps your hair grow strong and healthy. 3. Oral hygiene. A fresh smile is a must, and we're making sure yours stays sparkling clean. Brushing routine. Brush your teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes. Don't forget to brush your tongue too. That's where bacteria loves to hide. Flossing and mouthwash. Floss every day to remove plaque and food particles between your teeth and use mouthwash for a fresh breath that lasts all day. 4. Feminine hygiene. Now let's talk about feminine hygiene. Your health and comfort matter the most. 1. Daily care. Wash your intimate area with warm water daily. Avoid using scented soaps or sprays, as they can throw off your body's natural balance. Menstrual care. During your period, make sure to change your pads, tampons, or menstrual cups every 4 to 6 hours. Keeping clean during your cycle is essential for your health. 5. Nail care. Clean, healthy nails are a must for any full body hygiene routine. Trim your nails regularly to avoid breakage. File them to smooth any rough edges, and make sure to clean under your nails. Moisturizing cuticles. Keep your cuticles moisturized and healthy. Apply a nourishing oil or cream to your nails every night before bed. 6. Foot care. Let's not forget our feet. They work hard every day, so they deserve a little TLC. 1. Foot hygiene routine. Wash your feet daily and scrub the soles with a pumice stone or foot scrub to remove dead skin. Moisturizing feet. After a good scrub, apply a rich foot cream or lotion to keep your feet soft and smooth. Don't forget to wear socks after applying the cream to lock in moisture. 7. Extra tips for confidence. Feeling clean is about more than just hygiene. It's about confidence. Here are a few bonus tips to help you feel extra amazing. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water every day. Hydration is key to glowing skin, healthy hair, and keeping your body feeling its best. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet doesn't just make you feel good, it makes you look good too. Include fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats in your meals for that inner glow. That's it for today. You've got all the tips to keep yourself feeling fresh, confident, and healthy from head to toe. Keep shining, and remember, your self-care routine is all about you, baby girl. Thanks for watching, honey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel beautiful every day.